Now today, let's start with chapter number 30, occupation. In this chapter, I will tell you about occupation. Occupation, what is occupation? The work that the people do to earn their livelihood. It is known as occupation. Now we have different types of occupation. We have farming, fishing, we have mining. Now people need to earn money. देखो बिना money के it's very difficult to live. So everyone needs to earn money for their livelihood. So they earn money by doing different kinds of work. And now what is occupation? People need money to fulfill their basic. देखो why do people need money? I have told you to fulfill their basic needs. So they earn money by their work, and people need money to buy foods, clothes, and other necessary things for their family member. Like we have many family members in our family, and everyone needs anything what of their use. So for that, what do you need? We need money to bring food, to bring clothes, to bring daily use things. So what for that we need? Money. So the work that people do to earn money is called occupation. जो भी काम लोग कर रहे हैं क्या करने के लिए? मनी को अर्न करने के लिए. What it is known as occupation. We have already studied that people work as farmer, tailor, cobbler, carpenter, nurses, doctor, labor, fruits and vegetable seller, milkman and teacher. Right? What all are these? These all are what? Occupation. Now, people take up different occupation according to the need. देखो हर कोई ऐसा तो है नहीं कि हर कोई हर काम कर सकता है. So what they need? They need interest, skills and a qualification also. So this is why people do different types of work. यही वे है जिससे लोग क्या करते हैं? Different types of work करते हैं. In rural areas, farming, animal husbandry and fishing. If we talk about in rural area, देखो जो village वाला area होता है, वहाँ लोग ज़्यादातर farming, fishing और mining या फिर animal husbandry जैसी activities होती हैं. And in urban areas, computer related work, call centers, banking, textile, ये कुछ major occupation है. Right? So many units of multinational companies, hospitals, आपने देखा होगा कि क्या function करती है cities और towns में. Right? So doctor, driver, tailor, postman, what all are these? These are the man, those who are doing different occupation. First is farming. So farming, it is an activity or it is a business. देखो लोग business कैसे है? लोग अपने लैंड पे क्रॉप उगाते हैं और फिर उसे बेचते हैं. तो उनकी एक तरीके का बिजनेस है. सो इट्स एन एक्टिविटी और बिजनेस. इट इज एन एक्टिविटी और बिजनेस फॉर ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स एंड रेजिंग लाइवस्टॉक. द मोस्ट वाइडली फॉलोड ऑक्यूपेशन, सबसे जो वाइडली फॉलोड ऑक्यूपेशन है वो आपकी फार्मिंग है. और ये मेल ऑक्यूपेशन होती है जो लोग कहाँ रह रहे हैं? रूरल एरियाज में, विलेजेस में. And the farmer grow different types of crops, जैसे वो grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables, ये सब grow करता है. Now a farmer grow crop on flat land that is fertile and he also need good soil. देखो अब उसको soil चाहिए अच्छा, तो उसके लिए भी उसको क्या चाहिए होगा? For that he also need a अगर अच्छा crop चाहिए तो उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? Fertile soil चाहिए. So after he sows the crop in the field, he irrigates the field with water. और फिर उसके बाद क्या करता है? वो field को water से irrigate करता है. And the some people cut wood in the forest और वो ही उनकी occupation होती है. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Lumbering. The one who cuts the forest, that occupation is known as lumbering. Now, like farmer plowing the field, he's planting a crop and then irrigating the field. Right? So this is also an occupation. Now, and what is farmer? He's a person who grows crop. So cattle like cow and buffaloes are also reared in the field. Bullocks are used to plow the field. Seeds are sown and watered till the crop ripe. Seed को हम बोते हैं और जब तक उसको water करते हैं जब तक वो ripe ना हो जाए. Right? Then after that the crops are cut and then transported to us. उसके बाद क्या होता है? Crops को cut करा जाता है और उनको फिर transport करा जाता है. So the food for cattle is grown on the farm itself, and some farm animal like hens, what they gives? They gives eggs to you. Sheep, they gives wool to you, and chickens gives us meat. Then in India, there are many occupations which are dependent on farming. Like cotton is grown by farmers and then it is transported to mills. So we can say that cotton is woven into the clothes in the mills, and then the tailors take the cloth material and stitch clothes for us to wear. Right? Now cotton plants, mills making cotton material or tailor stitching clothes. This is also a occupation. Now farmer grows sugarcane which is used to make sugar. जैगरी बनती है उससे, और फिर आपने देखा होगा कि जो जूट है उसको भी ग्रो करा जाता है और उससे क्या बनता है, जूट बैग्स बनते हैं, रोप्स, मैट्स. Tea leaves and coffee beans are also grown. Oil we use to cook food is made from oil seeds of plants, like we have mustard and peanut. Next is, so some areas are covered with trees. देखो कुछ areas ऐसे होते हैं जो trees से covered होते हैं. But this area is known as forest. And the trunk of the tree is cut for wood, and wood is in turn used to make furniture by the carpenter. So wood is also used to make paper. Wood से हम क्या बनाते हैं, paper बनाते हैं. And there are many plants like tulsi, neem, which are used as herbs and medicine. जिनको हम as a herbs and as a medicine use करते हैं. Like we have forest. Forest से हमें क्या मिला, paper, और हम furniture बना सकते हैं. तुलसी plant हो गया, नीम plant हो गया. ये सब क्या है, कुछ plants हैं that we use in our daily life. Now plants is very important for us because first they gives us a clean air that we breathe in. आपको खाने के लिए fruits देते हैं, vegetables देते हैं, right? So they are very necessary. So we should take care of the trees and we should grow more and more trees. Now next is fishing. Fishing is the main occupation of the people who live in the area near the sea. They go to sea and catch fish with the fishing nets. देखो क्या करते हैं, सी में जाते हैं, उनके पास फिशिंग नेट्स होते हैं, तो उनसे वो क्या करता है, फिश को कैच कर. नाउ द फिश इज सोल्ड एंड यूज्ड फॉर वेरियस पर्पसेस. और फिश क्या है, इट इज यूज्ड एज अ सोर्स ऑफ फूड. और उससे हमें क्या मिलता है, ऑयल मिलता है, राइट? फिशरमैन क्या कर रहा है, कैच कर रहा है फिश को, फिश फूड बन रहा है और फिश ऑयल बन रहा है. देन वी हैव माइनिंग. Mining is the process of extraction of minerals and metals from the earth. We get many minerals from nature like iron, coal, magnesium, petrol. These minerals are found deep in the earth and the people dig the mineral from the earth. लोग क्या करते हैं, मिनरल को अर्थ से डिग करते हैं and then they are used for various purposes. Like you can see these minerals are used to make matters. Matter are used to make engines, utensils, buses and ships. Right? For all the things what we need minerals. Now we had some other occupation also like doctor, soldier, teacher, police and lawyer. They are also doing an occupation. So apart from occupation that we have learned, there are many more occupations that follow. People who live in cities and towns or work in offices. And some people of villages came to cities and town. वो cities और town में आते हैं and they work in factories. And some people have their own shops and industry. And some people also work in film industry. और उससे वो क्या बनाते हैं, film बनाते हैं, advertisement, serials ये सब बनाते हैं. And some people they write books, they sing songs, they dance, paint and design house. So many people work in school, hospital, bank, shops, and many people join defense services, merchant navy, and go to foreign countries to earn money. Railways, airways, postal service employ a large number of people. Right? This is all in the chapter. Now we have completed it. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.